In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for Microsoft Teams meetings. QR codes can be an incredibly convenient way to share meeting details, making it easy for participants to join with just a quick scan. Let's dive right into the process and break it down step by step. First, you'll need to have a Microsoft Teams meeting scheduled. If you haven't done this yet, open up your Microsoft Teams app or use the web version, and schedule your meeting with all the necessary details. Once you've set up your meeting, copy the meeting link. This link is what your participants will scan to join the meeting. Next, navigate to a QR code generator website. There are plenty of free QR code generators available online, such as QR Code Generator, QR Code Monkey, or GoQR.me. Choose any of these sites based on your preference. Each of these tools offers similar features, so no need to worry too much about specific differences. Once you've landed on the QR code generator of your choice, look for the option to input a URL. This is typically the default setting, so you should find it without any trouble. Paste the Microsoft Teams meeting link that you copied earlier into the URL field. Take a moment here to double-check that the link is correctly entered because any error might lead your invitees to the wrong destination. Now, before generating the QR code, some tools will offer customization options. You can change the color of the QR code, add a frame, or even include a logo. If you are creating this for a professional setting, adding a company logo can give it a more polished look. Just be mindful not to over-customize, as this might affect the code's readability. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and click the Generate or Create button on the page. Your QR code will be created almost instantly. After this, you'll have the option to download the code. I suggest downloading it as a high-resolution PNG file, but other formats like SVG or JPEG are often available if you have different needs. After you've downloaded your QR code, the next step is to distribute it. Consider various ways to share it, such as embedding it in an email invitation, adding it to a calendar invite, or printing it on a document if physical copies are required. And there you have it, your Microsoft Teams meeting now has a QR code. This small step can greatly simplify the process of joining meetings, especially for participants on mobile devices or in environments where clicking a link isn't as straightforward. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps create a smoother experience for your next Teams meeting.